Again from the YouTube, Salman Khurshid. I am Salman Khurshid from Kashmir. My question is that it is mentioned in Surah Luqman, last verse, no one can predict what is inside the womb of the pregnant woman, but today medical science can. How? So isn't it contradicting with science? The question poses there the verse in the Quran in Surah Luqman chapter number 31, the last verse, that Allah says that the knowledge of the hour is only with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and only Allah knows when and where it will rain, and what will a person earn, and what is in the womb of the mother. So one of the things that only Allah knows is mentioned in the Quran is what is in the womb of the mother. But unfortunately, some of the translations, especially Urdu translations, they have translated it as only Allah knows what is the sex of the child in the mother's womb, which is not a part of the Quran. It is their own addition. What the Quran says, only Allah knows what is in the womb of the mother. It means only Allah knows whether the child in the mother's womb, will he be a boon for society or will he be a bane for society? Will he go to Jannah or will he go to Jahannam? Will he go to paradise or will he go to hell? Will he be beneficial for the parents or will he not be beneficial? This with all the medical equipment in the world. No doctor can tell you when the child in the mother's womb, will he go to heaven or hell? Will he be beneficial for the ummah or not? Will he be benefit for the mother or not? So this is the real translation, that we don't know about what is in the womb of the mother, talking about the other things, not about the sex. That's a mistranslation. So that error goes to the translator, not to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.